Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the signed app and a Mac. Plug the iPhone in, open Xcode, choose your device, and install the build or use a signed IPA with alt sideload tools. You must enable developer mode when prompted on device. This allows apps from your account to run. Once done, leave the phone connected while you move to Trust configuration. Make sure the Apple ID or Enterprise certificate used to sign the app is the one you intend to trust. You now set Trust on the device. Go to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management or Profiles. Find the profile that matches the signing Apple ID or Enterprise certificate. Tap the developer name, then tap Trust and Confirm. This authorizes all apps signed by that certificate. If you used Xcode and a personal team, also accept the prompt when launching the app. Make sure to reconnect to the internet briefly, so the device you finish by launching the app to trigger provisioning and any runtime prompts. Allow permissions and confirm it opens normally. If the app remains untrusted, reboot the iPhone and recheck Settings Device Management. Sometimes re-signing the app with an updated certificate or using Xcode to run it again fixes it. If verification errors persist, make sure the device date/time is accurate, the certificate hasn't expired, and the phone can reach Apple servers. One key tip: re-sign and reinstall after updating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.